Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be covering portal vein and portocaval anastomosis. In the first part of this video, I'll cover portal vein and then portocaval anastomosis. Now coming to the portal vein, how is it formed? It is formed by superior mesenteric vein and the splenic vein at the level of L2 behind the neck of pancreas. You can see the image here. How is portal vein formed? Here is a superior mesenteric vein and here is a splenic vein. They both form the portal vein. It carries blood from abdominal part of the gastrointestinal tract, gallbladder, pancreas and spleen to the liver. Here you can see the venous drainage of the portal vein, abdominal part of the gastrointestinal tract, from the spleen, from the gallbladder and from the pancreas. Now moving on to the course of the portal vein. The course of the portal vein is divided into three parts. One is infraduodenal, that is below the duodenum. Next is retroduodenal, that is behind the duodenum, and another one is supraduodenal, that is above the duodenum. Infraduodenal, it runs upwards right side, first behind the neck of the pancreas. In this image, you can see the infraduodenal portion. It runs behind the neck of the pancreas. Then is the retroduodenal part. This is the retroduodenal part. Here it goes behind the first part of the duodenum. Behind the first part of the duodenum. Then it goes above the duodenum, that is the supraduodenal part. Here it then goes to the right free margin of the lesser omentum. That is the supraduodenal part. Then it ends at the right end of the porta hepatis by dividing into right and left branches. Next, moving on to the relations of the portal vein. Relations also you can divide it as infraduodenal relations, retroduodenal and supraduodenal. Infraduodenal, anteriorly lies is the neck of the pancreas. Posteriorly there is inferior vena cava. Then the retroduodenal part, anteriorly comes is the first part of the duodenum, CBD and gastroduodenal artery. Posteriorly is inferior vena cava again. Supraduodenal part, anteriorly hepatic artery, bile duct is there, and posteriorly inferior vena cava. So all the parts posteriorly there is inferior vena cava. So here you can see the relation of the portal vein with the inferior vena cava behind. Hepatic artery also you can see here, and here comes is the duodenum and here is the pancreas. So you can see how posteriorly, anteriorly all are related to the portal vein. Next, moving on to the tributaries of portal vein. One is the left gastric vein, this one, and the right gastric vein, superior pancreatico-duodenal vein, and the cystic vein, and the para-umbilical vein. So these are the tributaries of portal vein. Now moving on to the branches of the portal vein. There is the right branch and the left branch here. So the right branch is shorter and wider than the left. After receiving the cystic vein, it enters liver. The left branch, it is narrower and longer than the right branch. It traverses the porta hepatis from the right to the left end. Just before entering the left lobe of the liver, it receives para-umbilical vein and ligamentum teres and ligamentum venosum. So friends, this is all about the portal vein. In the next video, we will see portocaval anastomosis. Till then, take care.